In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A16. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, an important thing to note before this is that this process will erase all data like photos, apps, and messages, and after the reset, you must know the Google account email and password previously used on the device to finish the setup. So if you recently changed your password and have One UI 6.1 or later, including One UI 8.0, Samsung allows a 72-hour grace period where you can use your old PIN to reset the new one. So enter the wrong PIN 5 times until the forgot PIN link appears, then tap it and enter the previous PIN you used before the change. You can then set a new PIN without losing any data. Now, if you don't have the shortcut above, you have to use the hardware buttons. So turn off the phone, and if it won't turn off without a PIN, hold the volume down and power button until it blacks out. Then connect the phone to a computer via USB-C. Hold the volume up and power button until the Samsung logo appears, then use the volume buttons to select wipe data or factory reset, and then press the power to confirm. Then select factory data reset and then reboot system now. And then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to have to go ahead and you can do a remote reset by going on Android, like google.com/android/find, log in with a Google account that is locked on the phone, and select your phone and click erase device. So I'll show you exactly what to do. Go over to here, and then all you want to do is go over to Android and then /find, like so, and then go over to the Find Hub and then sign in, and then you're going to be able to factory reset the device at the very bottom. And yeah, it's as simple as that.